Hey gearheads, ever walked up to your car and seen smoke pouring from under the hood? That heart-dropping moment could be your alternator crying for help. Today, I'm going to show you exactly why this happens, how to fix it, and most importantly, how to prevent your wallet from going up in smoke too. But first, if you're new here and want a master car repair without breaking the bank, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Trust me, your car will thank you later. In this video, we'll cover what causes alternator smoking, the dangers of ignoring it, how to diagnose the problem, DIY fixes that actually work, prevention tips that save you money, alternator basics. Before we dive into the smoke signals, let's quickly break down what your alternator actually does. Think of it as your car's power plant. It's constantly generating electricity to keep your battery charged, power your lights, run your radio, AC, and all those fancy gadgets. The key parts we need to focus on are the drive belt, internal bearings, brushes, voltage regulator, danger signs. Let's talk about what that smoke actually means. If you see white smoke, usually bearing failure, blue smoke, electrical components burning, black smoke, belt issues, warning, warning. If you see any of these signs, stop driving immediately. Here's why. Diagnosis section. Time to play car detective. Here's your diagnosis checklist. 1. Visual inspection. 2. Belt check. 3. Bearing test. 4. Voltage testing. Quick audience check-in. Drop a comment below if you've ever had alternator problems. I read every comment and love hearing your stories. DIY repairs. Now for the fun part, fixing it yourself. I'll show you. Bearing replacement, brush maintenance, belt adjustment. Remember folks, if you're enjoying this content and it's helping you save money, hitting that like button really helps the channel grow. Prevention tips. Let's keep that alternator running smooth with these pro tips. Regular belt inspections, proper electrical maintenance, quality replacement parts. Wrap up. There you have it. Everything you need to know about smoking alternators. Remember, that smoke is your car's cry for help. Don't ignore it. Drop a comment below with any questions. And don't forget to grab your premium alternator repair kit using the link in the description.